Hello, thank you for tuning in with us in Medbay. This is the third video of Haemostasis series looking at fibrinolysis. If you haven't yet watched the first two videos, please find the link to the videos on primary hemostasis under 3 minutes and secondary hemostasis in 5 minutes in the description below. So today we'll be covering fibrinolysis. This is the breakdown of clots. So the process actually begins along with primary hemostasis. The damaged endothelium very slowly starts secreting tissue plasminogen activator, TPA, in low concentrations. Plasminogen is a protein produced by the liver. TPA then activates plasminogen into plasmin. The increasing plasmin levels then goes on to increase the production of urokinase plasminogen activator, UPA. This has a very similar function as TPA, so the plasmin levels increase with positive feedback. The plasmin levels slowly increase. This ensures the clot is not broken down too early. When the levels are high enough, plasmin breaks down enough fibrin strands and eventually the blood clot. To understand how the fibrin clot formation happens, watch the video on secondary hemostasis. Broken down fibrin fragments are known as D-dimers. This pathway is targeted when clots are needed to be broken down urgently in cases like myocardial infarction or ischemic stroke. So, examples of TPA include streptokinase, alteplase, tenecteplase. Here's a quick summary of fibrinolysis. TPA is slowly released by the endothelium from time of damage. This activates plasminogen into plasmin. Plasmin breaks down fibrin fibers. Increasing levels of plasmin upregulates UPA, which increases plasmin levels, break down even more fibrin clots.
I hope you found that video useful, and if you did, please leave a like, comment and share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified on all our upcoming videos, and we're releasing videos every Sunday.
Bye!